Hi everyone, today we're reviewing the VOUKAD hair trimmer. And I like this hair trimmer because this is what really makes it beautiful. You have this ability to kind of go between certain depths of it. And there's 40 different links that provide that ability. You also have this digital, shows you the battery level and whatnot on it. Very nice. You have this grip area, nice little plastic area design. You got a little blade right there. USB-C charging, folks. This is nice. A lot of other products just have these weird dongles and chargers, and to be frank with you, everybody has a USB-C cable. Every smartphone uses USB-C. You can see right there, engineered in Germany. I've got a variety of different items you can tag on. You've got the nose trimmer. You've got the Actually, no, this is the nose trimmer right here. You've got the ears, you got the charger, the USB-C charger comes with it. You've got the different clips that also come with it too, which is really nice. And like I said, what I like about this, it has the LED looks right here. You've got the design and build is really nice too. What I do like about this trimmer is, like I was showing you earlier, the dual combs. And you can be able to utilize either one of them. And you can be able to go 40 different lengths in the settings. You can 0.5 to 40 millimeters on a single dial. So it gives a huge functionality with that. The other things I really like about this is IPX7 certified, so you can use it in the shower or even rinsing underwater. You get 240 minutes, up to 240 minutes with the cordless runtime, which is great for weekly usage or travel. And the trimming power is really nice. It's really good. It does a really good job on that. Noise and vibration, as you guys heard earlier, very quiet, not too loud at all. But let's go down the pros and cons real quick for this product. First off, the pros, 240 minutes per charge. That is really good. You have a versatile link setting, 40 precise links via a single wheel, and irritation free. The trim above the skin level prevents razor burns, ideal for sensitive areas. You've got waterproof, durable, IPX7, built-in LED right there, and is very compact and travel ready. The downside for this one right here is the guard attachment fit. And some folks have reported the length of the guard can pop off, or if it's not firmly seated on the device. So this makes sure in regards to careful installation. And there's limited attachments. You only get like four blades here. Nose hair, precision detail, and main trimmer. So there's not really many, but you don't really need that many. Overall, my thoughts on this, it delivers on the promise. Effortless, precise, and very comfortable for grooming all body parts. So with that said, guys, let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on this trimmer. I will leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested. And questions away down below if you have any questions. Press the like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.